Hi my friends, are you wondering where the sari is and what is Dolly doing with no sari in her hand? I know, I can completely understand, but there is a twist in this whole game. As you know, I've introduced the new generation petticoat, the dcoat. So this is also another version of a dcoat, which is the dcoat wave. I mean, as you can see, it's got a lot of frills, it's got a lot of waves. So this is another dcoat. Now the utility I'm going to share of this dcoat to you. As you can see how beautifully this can be clubbed with a jacket, with a kurta like this. You can use it like a jacket also. You wear a crop top inside and just throw it like a jacket. So there are so many features to add on to this special wave dcoat. So let's go. So here it is. She's wearing the same dcoat, the one she wore on the kurta. What is the utility? You can wear it with a kurta, you can wear it with a jacket, you can wear it with a sari. But let me first explain you the uses and the features about this beautiful dcoat. It's got waves here which looks really beautiful when you walk. It's got this stretch fabric here. See, it can stretch, giving you a nice shape, but still when you sit, when you walk, when you climb stairs, you have enough fabric to stretch, and then when you stand still, it comes back to shape. And it's got an amazing feature, which is the pocket here. So here is the wave extender. So we've given you two elastic thing here. So what, at times we don't want to wear heels, we just want to wear our sports shoes, our canvases, and we want to party hard, and heels are like little painful, we all know that. So what you can just do it, remove your heels, take this and just put this inside like this, and you instantly, with no effort, take off those 2 inches from your length. So this feature, so we've given you 2 drawstring, one is here and one is below. So when you're wearing with heels, you tie the upper one, okay, this, and when you're not wearing heels, you tie this, the lower one, and you insert the entire belt inside. So voila, what here? See, she's taken off her heels, but what she's wearing the same is the wave dcoat. So you don't have to compromise. Just because you've got a lehenga, you've got a skirt stitched long, and you have to wear heels, don't go into that pain procedure. So let me show you how you can drape a sari on this, making it look not very Indian, not very Western, somewhere in between. So normally what I say you is tuck your sari 2 inches from your navel, but this is a different drape, so I'm going to start pleating it from the shoulders. So this is how I'm going to make my shoulder pleats. So you've done this, and don't make very broad pleats. Take a peg, hold this on your shoulders, just make nice narrow pleats, because your pleats should be resting on the shoulders. The broader you take, the broader pleats you take, and the broader you start looking. So just concentrate into making pleats and try and make them as neat as possible. It's this. Once you've decided your length, just take a pin and secure it. Secure all your pleats on your shoulders. See this is the length that I'm talking about, okay? After you've done this, just take this from here. And yes, I know I'm in love with my product, but I'm not going to tell you to flaunt this here. So you can just take this and insert this inside here like this. Got it? After you've done this, just take this part of the sari and tuck this in here. And take the other part and start pleating it from this side. I mean, normally how we pleat, like this, but in this I'm asking you to pleat it from this side. So just take, and not very broad pleats, narrow pleats, just pleat them here and add a pin here. Not that I like to use a lot of pins, but it's advisable because what if it falls, you know. So after you've made this pleat, just tuck this right below your navel. I mean here. So after tucking this, take this fabric, and since we have a pocket here, and I definitely want you to use this. If we didn't have a pocket, I would have told you to take the complete fabric like this. But since there's a pocket, you're going to leave it like a cowl and tuck this behind. Okay? After you've tucked this behind and this part also from here, see this part. Okay? So you've got cowls on both the sides. So you tuck in here and you tuck in here, so you've got this fabric behind. Okay? So in a lot of videos that I've seen, what they do is they make pleats and they tuck it like this. They make small pleats and they tuck it like this. You need to understand that this has to be equally divided because we don't have zero size figure. Okay? What we need to do is we need to balance this in a way that the drape looks nice, not adding too many inches to your body. Okay? So this is how I'm going to take this and I'm going to hold this together and pleat them together like this. So when you're making pleats like this, we are balancing and we are dividing, like if you're doing 8 pleats, so 4 on that side and 4 on this side. And if you want, you can add a pin here and just tuck the whole thing inside this way. The pegs has to be removed. Look in front. Okay. After you've done this, just adjust your pleats and add a pin on your shoulder and 1 pin here, and I think you're good to go. You can wear this for any event, you know, enhancing your blouse. You can use the same wave decoats with your blouse, your kurta, your crop top, and many more, different styles. I'll be sharing with you a lot of draping styles in my dcoat. So keep enjoying my drapes and keep loving the dcoat concept. I'm really looking forward because every feedback of yours is so important. I think this is the result because of all your comments and feedbacks and all your problems that you've been sharing with me over the past 15 years. So thank you for sharing your problems and thank me for coming up with a solution. So keep enjoying my drapes and keep loving me. I love you all.